Hey there, Adventures with Dr. Joe. I'm back at my mountain property and it's a beautiful day in April. I've got a couple really neat things I'd like to share with you. One that really just was obvious and amazing that's really helped me with storage and containing things in my Ranger or Razor. Wouldn't you like to have something that's secure, it's not going to jump around, not going to bounce out, easy to take out, easy to put in? I've got the solution for you. Take a look at this. So this is it, bucket holder. Very, very simple, stamped piece of steel with these expansion plugs that fit right into the side of the bed of the Ranger or Razor. You just tighten these up. They're actually serve as another secure tie down point. And let me just show you how easy it is and how neat it is. We're gonna put it in right now. Okay, these expansion plugs have been loosened, so they're not compressed, and they just fit right into these holes. I mean, it's so simple. Then just tighten these up, and as we do, those plugs are squeezed, they expand, and they grip into these ports here. And then if you want to tighten it a little further, you can just use a screwdriver or other thing just to tighten it up. You don't have to tighten it up too much, and it really does a nice job. It really holds it in really nicely. There we go. That's good. That's good. And then 5-gallon bucket. You just get this right in. It fits in there. You can take it out, put it back in. Incredibly convenient. Very secure. I've never had anything bounce out of this thing. But it's just a super simple but highly effective additional storage area that really keeps things secure. So if you like this, please take a look at my other videos. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Please subscribe, click the bell to the right if you want to be notified of new videos, and comment. I'll do my best to reply to all those as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. Stay safe.